Darrows. Earlier, that's taken by Henry Hill. And on the outside is Bangge. And moving up by the rallies Asi Kuda together with Discovery Peak. The favorite, Henry Hill, by some 3 lengths, followed by Discovery Peak, and racing by the rallies Asi Kuda alongside is Bangge. Henry Hill still leading by some 3 lengths, followed by Discovery Peak in second. Bangge is racing third by half a length Asi Kuda and Dugus Pride. Entering the last 600, Henry Hill, the favorite, is there leading the pack by some 3 lengths. Discovery Peak remains in second. Bangge is racing in third, and Asi Kuda. As they race the last 500, Henry Hill is there leading by some 2 lengths, followed by Discovery Peak. Bangge down on the inside, Asi Kuda and Dugus Pride. And nearing the last 150 meters more to run. It's still Henry Hill by some 3 lengths. Discovery Peak remains in second. Bangge. And hitting the finish line from start to finish. Number 1, Henry Hill. Discovery Peak, Dugus Pride, Bangge, and Asi Kuda comes last.
Yung Mercero yung ano.